everyone. Namaste. Thank you for checking out my video. I've put together a chill, easy, 10-minute slow yoga flow. Find a comfortable space. Roll out your mat. Find a seat and we'll get started. Make your way onto your back and hug your knees into your chest. Your hands can wrap over top or underneath of the knees. You may also gently rock from side to side or stay in stillness. And place your left foot onto the mat with your knee pointed upward. Interlace your fingers behind your right thigh and begin to bend and extend the leg. Move with your breath, using your inhale to draw the knee in and your exhale to extend your leg straight out. As you start to feel warmer, you're welcome to extend the left leg straight out to the mat. And then when you are ready, switch sides, planting the right foot into the ground and bending and extending through the left leg. And take as many breaths as you may need on this side to feel even with the other. And eventually letting the right leg straighten out as you feel ready to. Take a few breaths here, and then pull both of your knees into your chest, hugging yourself once more. And draw your right knee into your chest and extend the left leg straight onto the mat, and slowly draw the right knee across the chest. And feel both of your shoulder blades tip onto the mat below you. You're welcome to leave your left hand as support for the knee or to extend your arms straight up to the sides. A few breaths here, and when you're ready to come out, do so slowly with an exhale. Feel the low belly pull in. Flatten out your lower back. Plant the feet onto the mat and give yourself a few breaths to reset between each side. And work your way into your twist on the other side. Feel free to make any adjustments you might need to, re-scooping the hips back into the center of the mat. And drawing the shoulders apart slightly. And again, when you're ready to come out, do so with an exhale. And press into your hands and your feet. Lift your hips gently and begin to hammock them from side to side, releasing into the low back. Draw the knees into the chest again and give yourself some momentum to rock up onto your seat. Take some time finding a comfortable seat at first, maybe sitting up onto a blanket if your hips feel more sore. Take your neck in some gentle circles. Any other movements that feel good to working out some of the stress and tension through the neck. Roll your shoulders. Begin to interlace your fingers behind your back. Reach the hands towards the earth below you and feel your shoulders come together. And continue to grow long through the neck and bow forward. And lift your hands away from your back. Soften your hands to your low back first. And then place them in front of you. Resting here for a few breaths, lengthening through the spine. Use your in-breath to walk your hands back up to yourself. Using your inhale, reach your arms overhead, and as you exhale, twist open to the side. Come back through center with an inhale, and exhale to open to the other. And next time you open yourself to the right side, pause and stay for a breath. exhale to twist to the opposite side. Inhale draws you back to center. And slowly make your way to your hands and knees. Align your shoulders up over your wrists, hips over knees, and take a few breaths to organically move, rounding into the spine, and letting the belly drop like a hammock. And feel free to add in any other movement here, maybe curving into the side body, pressing into one shoulder at a time, shifting your hips back towards your heels, anything that feels good to you. Make your way back to center whenever you've had enough of this movement. And use your inhale to draw the right foot between your hands. You can assist your foot up. Stack the right knee over top of the ankle. Check in with the outer edge of the right hip. If this space is feeling a bit restricted, you can heel toe your foot off to the edge of the mat and plant both of the hands to the inside of the foot. You can also use blocks here as well. Walk the foot back into the center of the mat and reframe the front foot. Begin to shift your hips back, straighten through the front leg, and flex through the foot. And as you inhale, and draw forward again through your lunge, shifting the hips towards the earth. Move through these two postures with your breath, using your inhale to draw you forward and your exhale to send you back. And pause into your lunge. Curl the left toes underneath, straighten the leg out. Plant your weight into your left hand and reach the right fingertips up into the air. Exhale to close and frame the front foot. Drop the left knee to the mat and step the right knee back to meet the left and switch your legs out. Ensure that the knee stacks right over top of the ankle and make any adjustments you might need to, placing blocks under hands or heel toeing the left foot off to the edge of the mat. And begin to place your foot back into the center of your mat and reframe your front foot. Curl right toes underneath. If you'd like a little extra support in that posture as you shift your hips back and straighten the front leg. And work through these two motions again. And find your way into your lunge one last time. And into your half split one last time. And place your weight into the right hand. And curl the back toes underneath, lift the leg off the mat. Turn the torso towards your bent knee and open yourself to the other side, extending through left arm and fingertips. Close to frame the front foot and step the left leg back to meet the right in downward facing dog. And gently pedal into your feet, softening one heel to the earth as you lift the other up. Rock up onto your tippy toes and drop your heels to one side and then the other. Lift your right leg into the air, stretching it behind you. And gently place it back down and then lift the left. And place the left leg back down. Return to your knees. Sit back onto your heels and soften your forehead into the earth, resting in child's pose. And feel free to stay here for as many breaths as you'd like. Press into the hands and walk them into yourself. Make your way to the top of your mat slowly. Use your inhale to lift your chest halfway, flatten through the spine, and exhale, maintain the length, release the head, neck, and shoulders. Inhale, rise to stand with a flat back. I hope you enjoyed your practice. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, like this video, and leave any comments that you might have, and tune in every week for new videos.